Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am CryptoBarry and I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we'll be discussing DPAD Finance. Now this is a launchpad, or specifically a decentralized launchpad that is here for IDO investors to invest in crypto projects. But it is also for projects to raise capital to gain enough exposure so that they can succeed. Now, this thing is definitely, it has a huge requirement, and there's a lot of articles written on DPAD on major media outlets in which they're basically saying that they're aiming on boosting the $10 billion blockchain startups investment market. They're gearing up to incubate 1,000 new projects from all over the world. In the DPAD ecosystem, they're basically coming together and have created this very strong alumni network that will be helping in the growth of not only this project, but the projects that will be placed on this and on their launchpad. Of course, as you can tell, is pretty amazing. Now, one of the main things and that I think distinguishes this project from other projects and other launchpads is because it's not just a simple launchpad. It's basically Launchpad 2.0, or I would probably say Launchpad 3.0, because it is decentralized. And this is one of the main things that I really like about this. So this is a decentralized launchpad in which there basically no need for any permission from the DPAD authority, and neither do the project founders will need to get approval for their submission. So there's no central authority behind the platform that could do the listing or control the listings. So basically the investor community on DPAD will get access to vast number of innovative, disruptive projects built that will be building crypto, DeFi, and social tokens, etc. And to get more details, I am here on their official website. It says a protocol to ideate. DPAD protocol is the world's first social venture builder. Build the next generation launchpad for founders focused on decentralized Web3 platforms. So you can read about all their major articles on Bloomberg, Yahoo, Bazinga. As you can see, these are one of the main ones in MarketWatch. So they're getting good media exposure already, and they're saying that they're going to incubate 1,000 unprivileged startup founders that are building DeFi and social token products. So first we have Launchpad 2.0, the next generation launchpad with data-driven interface and analytics tools for IDO investors. So the beta app is actually live for us to take a look at. So this is the beta app. We can take a look at new pools. We can actually create pools, and we can see the upcoming pools and the ended pools. And these are the supported chains that we have here in the whole community. And then Meta Incubation, a virtual space in Metaverse for startups to get incubated. Not only that, they're going to incubate the Metaverse projects, which of course is a huge area in genre in crypto now, but they will also be teaching people how to make successful Metaverse projects. So DPAD is introducing first decentralized incubation platform for Metaverse projects, and they're also teaching learn how to build a company for the for the Metaverse from the industry pioneers. So the whole Metaverse market it says 2028 is $828 billion. It already is very, very huge, and it covers most of the total market of the entire crypto industry. Social Venture Builder, an initiative to identify market gaps in Web3 and solve them with in-house experienced professionals. So in here, we basically have, with Social Venture Builder, startup founders have access to a full team of experts for building Web3 applications. We will identify the gaps in Web3 and Metaverse at our incubation station and build solutions for them. So the whole purpose of creating the DPAD and having the early Bitcoin maximalists from 2013 and having crypto entrepreneurs and all the people that have past experience is so that they can teach the new founders and the new startups on how they can successfully build the Web3 applications. And basically that is going to happen in this. So it'll basically include market research, concept validation, blockchain, metaverse, NFT, DeFi, Web3 incubation, alumni network, founderverse, user interface, user experience design, product management, hiring, fundraising, marketing, legal, finance. Okay, so there's a lot of things that are written here. I'm not entirely certain what specifies this, but anyways, so this is the complete detail on how they go along with this. But again, you can read this in your time. But they had a pre-sale, which was a huge success. They have been KYC'd and they have also been audited. The hard cap was reached. As you can see, the pool has ended. 690 BNB that was raised. So that was quite a huge success. Now you can buy it on the Pancake Swap. So click on miners and then import. You're going to connect your wallet, whether it's Trust Wallet or MetaMask wallet in which you have BNB. Then you will be trading that BNB to get DPAD token. It's pretty simple. There's no complications or sophistication in this. Now you can view the DPAD and their DPAD Finance, the token, how it's performing on the Poolcoin and on the DEX tools. You can also take a look at this smart contract, which is right here, and you can see there's been like 6,300 something transfers, and they almost have like 1,000 holders. So the project is going really good. It is a very well developed project. And if you talk about their token that you can buy on the Pancake Swap, as I showed you guys, these are the token utilities for the DPAD. So we have staking. We can earn reward by staking DPAD tokens. Staking will help to incentivize the holder and maintain price stability. And then there's governance. So the DPAD token holders will have the right to vote for project listing, decision making for protocol upgrades. And then there will be fees. So token usage for project listing fee, fundraise fee, support fee. Eventually it'll all be done with the DPAD. And then deflationary. With time, the supply of DPAD tokens will decrease, but burning mechanism. This will boost incentives for holders. So they will be doing burning too, which I think is really amazing because it will reduce the supply. And we know when the supply is reduced, the value is actually increased. Now, if we talk about roadmap to see what they want to do in the future. In Q4 of last year, they built the concept, they had the seed in the private sale, and then the DPAD IP's creation, beta software development. In the Q2 and in the Q1 of the 2022 this year, they had the public sale, launch of beta version, which we have seen, partnership and collaborations, and security audit. In the Q2, they'll be going for marketing campaigns, multi-chain protocol, buying metaverse lands, and crypto content creation. And then in the Q3, they'll be going for app launch, crypto alumni networking, transition to DAO, and then start building incubation for metaverse. And in the Q4, revamp the user interface and the user experience, and then marketing for incubation, hiring for alpha version, and global crypto founders need. And then in the Q1 of next year, they'll be launching the D School, alumni network expansion, collaboration with VR AR projects, and launch of Launchpad alpha version. And basically, yeah, so you can see they are very ambitious and they have huge things plans for for the future with this project. Now here's a complete tokenomics of the DPAD token. The IDO pre-sale price was this in BNB. Circulating supply is 15.06%. Fundraising goal was 690 BNB that was reached. So in total, there's 100 million total supply. And there was 32.5 million for token sale, 10 million for burn, 17 million liquidity, 2 million development, 5 million staking rewards, 8 million DAO and grants, 12.5 million marketing and partnerships, and 12 million team advisor, and 1 million airdrop. And these are the benefits for the token holders. So they get allocation in IDO, IT or INO, IMO, basically the initial offerings for the project that will be basically being placed on their launchpad and will be incubated. So they'll have this opportunity, and then there will be different staking rewards. There will be 5% of the total supply from DPAD venture projects will be rewarded to DPAD holders, and then they'll get access to premium research services and lots of airdrops. So these are the benefits that you get for becoming a token holder of the DPAD token. And this is their complete team, which has been KYC'd by the Pixel, as we have already seen, and they have been audited. And they also have a limited edition collection of only 100 exclusive NFTs that are minted by DPAD Finance. So you can also check them out, and you can enter your BC address and you can get a free NFT, if you still have the chance, you probably can go for it. And these are all the social media, so make sure that you join all their social media links, you join their Discord, Telegram group, and follow them on Twitter, all of them that they have right here. So make sure that you do all those things. I don't see the Discord, but if they probably make it or they already have it, make sure that you join it and you follow them on all these social medias. And I think you can make a really good profit, and you can get really good opportunities for investments in this, and you can also make good profits with their own token too. So make sure that you check this project out.